Hello again guys, it's me again Topper from Toyota Alabang. If you are looking for a premium SUV na pang pamilya, pang negosyo, at pang long drive, this is the 2026 Toyota Fortuner 2.8Q Automatic. Now, let's do a quick but solid walk around. Quick price check muna guys. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner Q Automatic is around 2,200,000 pesos. If you want the classy pearl white, meron itong additional na 15,000. Worth it, lalo na if gusto mo ng premium look. Under this hood, this Fortuner is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. Malakas siya, pero smooth, perfect for overtaking, uphill driving, at kahit na fully loaded kayo ng pamilya. Check this out! Meron kang LED headlight, meron kang daytime running light, at meron ka rin fog lamp. Kasama rin, meron din itong mga advanced safety features. We have our radar sensor at isang monocular camera na nasa windshield. Meron din itong front sensors. Tingnan naman po ang diskarte kung paano siya dinesign. Ang ganda, di ba? Naka-pearl white, tapos naka-piano black pa yung mukha ng Fortuner natin. Naka 18-inch wheels, two-tone alloy wheels. Malaki ang goma, naka-Mac person with coil ang suspension natin sa harapan at disc brake. Malaki ang stance, mataas ang ground clearance, kaya confident ka kahit sa baha, rough roads, or even out-of-town adventures. This is one of those SUVs na kahit stock, mukhang boss na. Guys, sporty side mirror design na merong turn signal at camera. Door handle na keyless entry. Ang iyong door panel na soft touch at leather wrap. Power windows, joystick, button para ma-fold ang iyong side mirror. Pasok mo sa loob, ramdam mo na agad ang premium leather seats, spacious cabin, at high driving position. Maluwag kahit doon sa third row. So kasya, buong pamilya mo plus gamit. Colored infotainment na merong Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So maps, music, kahit na ang tawag ay madaling gamitin. Wireless connectivity to guys. Meron tayong main display para sa ating easy control plus our physical button. Meron tayong wireless charging, 12-volt socket, push start button, automatic po na gate type design, 6-speed automatic na merong manual setting plus minus, drive modes, pwede ka mag-eco, normal, and sport. Steering design, naka-leather wrap, marami siyang mga button or keys para sa cruise control and sa ating mga radio. Naka-analog with mini information display. Guys, meron itong Toyota Safety Sense. Toyota Safety Sense ay meron kasamang pre-collision braking, lane tracing, lane departure, at meron din itong mga blind spot monitoring system. Itong button for the parking sensors, 360 camera, and power tailgate natin. So, di ba? Pogi na, solid, quality. Button sa kanilang windows, cup holders, speakers. Premium leather ang material, kahit sa third row, meron tayong lights at mga AC vent natin. O, di ba? Ang ganda nito guys, sobrang solid talaga. Meron tayong USB port para mag-charge at meron din tayong 120 watts na 12-volt socket. Sa likod, naka-leaf spring tayo with torsion beam. Ganon din, two-tone din na 18 alloy wheels na malaki ang goma. Full tank capacity is around 80 liters. Napaka-forma, sporty, rugged naman ang design natin sa likod. LED tail light turn signal light, at reverse light. Guys, naka 360 camera to ulitin ko. Kasama din to, mga sensors natin. Bali dito for eye. Automatic tailgate. Cool, di ba? At dito naman, kapag ikaw ay passenger katabi ng driver. We have our storage na pwede maging cooler and also have the glow box. Sama ang ating manual. Okay? Cup holder, syempre, hindi mawawala yan. Safety features, panalo rin. Equipped with multiple airbags, ABS, stability control, restart assist, traction control. Ibig sabihin, kahit maulan, kahit madulas, or biglang preno, kampante ka at ang mga sakay mo. Bakit nga ba si Fortuner ang pipiliin mo? Una, power and reliability. Pangalawa, mataas ang resale value. Pangatlo, low maintenance compared sa ibang full-size SUVs. This is the kind of SUV na pwede mong gamitin at proud ka kahit ilang years pang nasa sa'yo ito. Fun fact lang guys, the Toyota Fortuner is one of the best-selling SUVs in the Philippines. For the reason na din na ginagamit siya ng mga families, business owners, even executives. And yes, kahit stock lang, marami nagsasabi na pang-executive ang dating. So if you're looking for an SUV na malakas, pogi, safe, at pang long term, the Toyota Fortuner 2026 2.8 Automatics is a solid choice for you. Message me if you want the quotation po, test drive, or even updated promos. Flash ko po ang aking contact details sa screen. Again, this is Topper from Toyota Alabang. Salamat sa panonood and see you on our next video. Paalam!